Hi all, I just wanted to start a post on Metro's latest signage effort, which runs the gamut from more PIDs, electronic screens, and good old-fashioned metal signage. L'Enfant Plaza is a testing ground for all of these efforts. On my most recent visit, a new PID pylon was being installed on the upper-level platform so that customers can more easily see it without needing to peer so far down the platform. I'm curious to see if it will use the old-fashioned models, those we see at Silver Line stations, or the latest LCD screens. L'Enfant has also received those freestanding LCD screens on the lower level that rotate between ads, announcements, and Metro's map. Finally, I did not see this, but a recent post from the GM shows Metro's current experimentation with adding directional information to its metal signs. https://x.com/wmatam/status/1702132776953057304?s=20oh. I should also add that most of the stations of used new have the bright yellow stickers in prominent locations indicating which is track 1 versus 2. I think that's a long overdue update because the stickers on the third rail are often impossible to read due to grime. Maybe it's me, but I find it very curious. How much signage has been added to tell customers how to reach IAD when there is no such similar effort for DCA? Yes, I understand one is an airport newly served by Metro, but still.